Hello everyone. So you would like to know what is alchemy in Magic the Gathering Arena, and very quickly explain is a set similar to standard that is only for Magic the Gathering Arena. Alchemy is basically it has some certain sets that rotate and go away and some come in, and it is constructed as standard. You basically build your own deck, but the difference is that there are substantially more cards, and it is a lot more open than the classic standard. I would say it's also a little bit less competitive, and it also has certain sets that are only available in Magic the Gathering Arena. There are only sets online specific to alchemy. So these sets are also available in other formats, but basically the main difference between standard and alchemy is that there are certain sets and therefore more cards usually available in alchemy. It is also the sets it is also the format that new players are introduced to when they play Magic the Gathering Arena, because if I remember correctly, it is usually auto-selected at the beginning when you start to play, and there are also certain things like basic decks that are playable here always with the basic cards that you can still play. This is not the same in standard anymore, and so this is it. It's like standard but with extra decks, basically extra assets. Sorry. And this is it. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.